Are you a technical graduate from final year? Do you match the skills that the industry expects? Is getting a dream job possible? How can I upskill to match industry expectations? Is there a place where I can get skilled and get a job? All your questions have one answer. Codenest Dream Factory Project 2021. Realize your potential. Overcome your fears. Learn from the best. The factory where your dreams become reality. Hello my dear friends. I heartily welcome all the students, respectable TPOs, the college management to the world of possibilities and the Dream Factory 2021. I know you will have many doubts. Who are we? What are we doing? What is this Dream Factory all about? For all this, probably in the next 15 to 20 minutes, you would get a detailed answer. Have patience and listen to this very carefully. I know most of you would be wondering about what is Codenest, who are we, what are we doing? Well, Codenest is a product-based software company in the EdTech space. We are an ISO 29990-2010 and ISO 9001-2015 certified company for its quality in informal education. We are also recognized by Government of India. Apart from this, we have done many other things. We have achieved many other things. If you want to know what we have achieved and what we are in detail, please do visit our Facebook page, our Insta page, or our website www.codenest.com. Well, after knowing what are we and who we are, you would have one more doubt. Well, what is this Dream Factory all about? Certainly I would tell you what is this Dream Factory all about, but before I tell you, you my dear students, I think most of you are in your final semesters probably. Well, I have one serious question for you to answer to yourself. Once you complete your exam, what will you do next? What next? Well, most of your answer would be, sir, my dream job. Are you sure that you would get one? Are you sure that so easily, as soon as you complete your exam, you would get a job? Well, if your instincts are telling you that yes, 100% I would get a job, probably you are confident enough, but I don't know whether you are skilled enough. If you'll ask me, sir, what do you mean by that? Very simple. You might be confident in the contents, whatever you know, but whatever industry is expecting, I think is way long different from whatever you know. And this is the harsh reality that you have to accept. Remember, most of the companies in the IT industry is looking forward for skilled candidates, or to tell you in the layman terminology, trained candidates. Well, are you trained to match industry standards? I hope 90% of you are not. If you'll ask me, sir, how can we get trained to match the industry standards? Here is where Codenest Dream Factory Project 2021 will play its role. Remember, until and unless you are inside the college, the expectation from the IT industry would be in the generic level. But once you go out of the college, they would expect you to be experts. They would expect many skills from you to be acquired. Well, are you really sure that you have been expertised to match that industry expectation? Well, if not, Codenest Dream Factory has a role to play here as well. If you will ask me, sir, How you will make my IT career dream into reality? Very, very simple. In this 45 days of intensive training, you would be trained on multiple technologies like this, which will include technical, aptitude, programming, personality development. In depth about what will you learn in technical, in depth about what will you learn in aptitude, in depth about what will you learn in programming and personality development, certainly I would discuss later. But after learning this, you would be given an assessment. In that assessment, if you will perform well, you would get placement opportunities also. Well, you can use that placement opportunities, convert your dream into a reality. Say supposing even after this 45 days of intensive training and the opportunities given by us would not fetch you a job when you are inside the college. You need not worry if at all you have performed well in the assessments given by us. Post your examination, you would be given an opportunity to grab a full stack development course along with loads of opportunities until you get placed absolutely for free of cost. Not even a single penny would be charged from your end, provided you would have done really good in the assessments. Not just that, if you are a top performer, then you would get an iPad as a gift from CodeNest as a token of appreciation. If you are a student who have given importance to the session and listened to every session, if you are a student who have participated in all the assessments and gained a decent score, you would get a course completion certificate which would have the global recognition. Well, these are all the benefits that a student would gain. Most of the TPOs are also watching this session. What benefits TPOs would get? What benefits as a college management would get? You can project your candidates to IT industry as they are well-groomed candidates. Not only that, when the interviewer comes to your college to hire, they would be in one level of expectation, but your students would have already have surpassed that level and would perform really well in the interview, and your placement percentage would increase. Your students would be getting placement opportunities when they are inside the college itself. So when they are getting placed, it is really an added crown to your college. Well, what else makes the college proud than claiming their students got placed? What else would make us proud than collaborating with you in helping the students' career being shaped? So if you can carefully see, students are getting their own benefits. Colleges are also being benefited. From our end, we are doing our CSR activity in the most responsible way. This CodeNest Dream Factory, a CSR initiative by CodeNest, is being supported by many students, many colleges, many universities nationwide. For example, our CodeNest Dream Factory CSR initiative is being supported by one of the famous university in Karnataka, which is Visvesvaraya Technological University. Not only that, this initiative is being supported by many colleges across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana by AP TPO Consortium. Not only that, many colleges from North India are also participating in this CSR initiative. We are expecting minimum 1 lakh students to get trained and get benefited from this CodeNest Dream Factory Project 2021 and shape your careers into IT industry. We are looking forward to train every interested student from across the nation to take up this initiative and get the benefits of this initiative absolutely for free of cost. After telling all this, many students will have one doubt. Sir, precisely tell us what will we learn? Remember, to clear any interview, you need to undergo the aptitude round, which is first round, group discussion round, the second round, technical round plus programming round, the third round probably, and the HR round, which is the fourth round. nowhere in these 4 rounds you should mess the things up. If you want to clear the first round, aptitude is important. If you want to clear the second round and the 4th round, the group discussion as well as HR, your soft skills and personality should be really good. If you want to clear the 3rd round, which is the technical and programming, your technical skills should be excellent. In this 45 days of intensive training, in the aptitude, you will learn speed math, blood relations, boats and streams, directions and cubes to solve aptitude. I know, sir, is this sufficient to crack aptitude? I am not claiming this is sufficient, but this is what you will get in 45 days with respect to aptitude. Let me conclude. I have started the topic. I will conclude it. You don't come to any conclusion in between. With respect to personality development, you will get the interview grooming skills, resume building skills, do's and don'ts in an interview. When it comes to technical stuff, you will have introduction to programming, data types, control constructs, introduction to IDE, shortcuts to IDE, debug mode in IDE, arrays, programming on arrays, strings, programming on strings, methods, searching and sorting, and logical algorithms using methods, encapsulation, constructors, static keyword, swings using window builder, and implementation of few data structures in Java using all the concepts that you will be learning in the 45 days. Again, a student would get a doubt. Sir, is it sufficient to crack an interview? Well, if you are inside the college, this is really more than sufficient. And remember, just by seeing the contents with the headings like this, don't think this is just one probably a brushing up kind of lectures that you will be having. Remember, this 45 days of intensive training would be such that if a student get placed to a company, and in the company, if a student undergoes training, in that training, 45% of it, you would be getting it whenever you are inside the college. And just remember or just assume, if your placement officer brings a company to your college to hire you, or through CodeNest, we will bring in some companies to hire you when you are inside the college. Those company expectations will not be so high. They would be expecting the knowledge of a generic fresher. If you will showcase your skill, which is nearly equivalent to 45% of whatever a trained candidate would have, don't you think so? They would really feel amazed and chances of you getting placed would be more. This is the advantage of you taking up this training when you are inside the college. And if you will ask me, sir, actually how are you going to train us on all these topics? Well, it will be an online self-paced learning. You will have to visit our LMS platform. You may will have to create one ID. You may will have to log in and start learning through our LMS platform. I don't want to waste more of your time by telling how to create an ID, how to visit our LMS platform, how to log in by using the credentials. All those things would be shared in the video format by using the mail. If you are consistent in learning and if you have done the assessments in a decent way, any of these companies might come and might hire you. Not once you are out of the college, probably when you are inside the college itself. CodeNest as an organization have tied up with more than 200 plus clients. Well, some of the companies and packages, if I will want to tell you, PayPal, which would pay 11.5 lakhs per annum, Cerner, which would pay 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, ParSchool, which would pay 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, Zorient, 4.5 lakhs per annum, Tavant, probably 5 lakhs per annum, Mindtree, Sonata Software, probably Avantu, many more. All these companies which you are seeing here, all this. You are being upskilled. You are being given opportunities. What else as a student do you need? After telling all this, one thing I have to tell you. This pandemic have disrupted the entire world, especially the education sector. And as a student, you have to upskill yourself, get your first dream job and support your family. And as college or university, you have to support and motivate your students to choose the right path to get their first dream job. And as Codenest, we believe in winning together. So, together we will win and together we will achieve. Thank you very much.